Hi, today we will see a bootstrap slider, and when you inspect this slider and so in a mobile device it will looks like. So it's perfect for the mobile devices and it's responsive, so don't worry about that. It will looks in a desktop like this and mobile. So we have to create a project inside a htdoc. So I'm creating the project which is the image slider, and you can give any name and just drag and drop inside in your code. As I'm using an admin, just inside we have to create a folder which is images, and okay, inside we will put our images, and we have to create an index.php file. So this is the index.php file, and just remove the comment, and then just remove the php, tag it here, and type a title of this page. So this page has the title which is image slider, and then inside our project we need to one more directory which is css. All the css files we put inside a css directory, and we will also we want to this image slider images. So this is our previous project. We have to just copy our images, and you can copy anywhere of your computer and just paste inside our project. This is simple. Okay, so we have added images, and now we need to create a style.css, which is our custom css file. We will write a code later, but we have to need some jQuery CDN file, and you can also download and attach that. So I'm using a jQuery CDN. Just click on a minify and just copy this code. Okay, and paste it here, so it will inline, and just copy and just paste before closing take a body. So we have added jQuery, and now we need to bootstrap CDN. So just search on Google, so bootstrap CDN. It's a simple quick start bootstrap CDN for Mac CDN. Just this bootstrap, just copy, and here we have just a script tag, and script tag should be close. Okay, script tag should be close, and then src, and paste it here, and done. And now also we need a bootstrap. Okay, so we have attached our style.css file, and now we need to add a bootstrap cdn, I mean just bootstrap.min.css file. So you can download this code and attach to inside our project. So I'm creating a new file, bootstrap.min.css, and just copy this code, control a, control c, and just paste it here. Okay, so we are done. And now we need to add this bootstrap.min.css file inside our projects. Okay, so we have added bootstrap.min.css. So up now we need to create our image slider. So we will write here comment, so you can understand what exactly we are going to going to do. So here we will write our image slider. Okay, so create a div and give it a class which is a row, and inside we need a again div, and give it any id, any name you can give it, but just remember that we will use later, and give it a class of this div which is a carousel slider. Simple. And data right, which is a carousel. Simple. So this attributes we have to put it here, and inside we will write indicator. So what is indicator? We will I'll show you this small circle icons on bottom, that is that was indicator. Okay, so we will on a ordered list, and give it a class which is a carousel indicator, and inside have a list, and data target, and data target it is id. So just copy the image slider id and just paste it, and data slide, and this attribute data slide 2, which is 0, I mean first indicator, which is active, and this is a 2 1, and just remove the active and just copy and again just paste it here. And so this is for 3. So we are use the here 3 images. So it's start from 0, 0 1 and 2. So there are 3 images, and now we do wrap for the sliders images container. So I will write a comment, and it we will create a div again and give the class which is carousel inner, and inside we need to some item of our images. So this item first is active, first slide which is active, and then put it image inside that. So image src, and this is our image one. So you can put alt take for alternative image. If not, okay, we will discuss later what is alt. Its width is 100%. So just we need to div, okay, just remove that. This is our first item, and just copy. We need three images, two just second one, just remove the active, and this is for three, and just mm, change the slides, which is slide 1, slide 2, and slide 3. You can change these images, and this is for the controllers. I mean just left and right controllers, just small icons, left and right. So using that, we have to uh, create a attribute, I mean just a tag, and just give it class left carousel control, and this is id is very important, so put has and paste it here. Okay, and data slider, this is for previous, pre and v. Okay, previous data slider, just span tag, and you can just close this span, and inside you can write a text, and you can also put any icon. Okay, just paste it here, and just this for right, and just next, this for next, control s for save. And we need to run this project. Just copy your project name, type localhost, and paste your project name, and you can see this is our image slider. But there is a problem, the previous and next button is not working yet. So what we want to do that, just we have to change our code slightly. So this is okay, just we have to find where is problem. Okay, so this is the previous, so we have to change it next. Okay, control s for 7, and just refresh. You can see the next link is working fine, but the previous is not working, so we have to just change this previous also. So we made a mistake, prev, and just add a v. Okay, and just find control s for 7, just check it's working fine. Good. So now this text we need to add it inside our slider. Just copy these. Okay, and put it a div, and give it a class title and subtitle of our container, and give it h3, and inside we have write our content. Inside of p, this is subtitle of our image slides, which is first. Okay, this is subtitle text. Just copy and paste it here again, and all things. Okay, so it's not showing it here. Okay, so you have to wait why it's not showing. Just made I'm showing you. So just copy these codes, and paste anywhere, any other items, just paste it here, and again it's pasted here. Okay, control s for save, and now refresh. So the content is bottom of this slider. You can see here web development with the jQuery security, jQuery and security. This is demo content, and we need to write some css it here. So body, and body's margin is 0, padding is 0. Okay, and overflow x is hidden. Okay, and you can see this bar is gone. And for the title and subtitle, to make a center, so for that we need to write color. Color is a white color, position is absolute, and top is 50%, and jet index is 1, which is important because we want to top of everything of our page. So left is 50%, and text line center, and transform is a translate, and it's a top and bottom 50%, left and right is 50%. It means the title and subtitle looks like a center and semicolon. Control S, and you can see here this is our content. And then we need to change the font size of our h3 and paragraphs of title and subtitle. So font size we need to 3em, and then font size font family sans serif, and you can see here it's look good. So this is also for a paragraph. Just remove the p h3, and in place of h3 just write a p, and this font size 20 pixel, and you can see it is a much more bigger. And then we write this small icons, left and right controllers. So for that okay, that is the overlay color. Okay, overlay, it's a little bit just you, I'm showing you, just you have to wait. Okay, so everywhere you can put a div and has a class which is overlay, and just type dot overlay, I'm not sure what is, just check it, and okay, just overlays, copy and paste it here. Sure. And its position is absolute, width is 100%, height is 100%. Okay, just fine. And then z index is 0 because this is bottom of our text and title and subtitle. So okay, you can see and just right click and inspect it and just change it here, just make less opacity, like this is a transparent background, just copy this and paste it here. Control S for save, and fine, just it's look good. And then we have to change this small icons like left, and this is the right icons. For that we have to add a font awesome. Just go to font awesome, cdn, just copy font awesome cdn, just bottom before okay, inside head tag you have to link that and related to style sheet. Fine. And then we need to some small icon, go to font awesome, and we have to find angles, right and left angle. This angle is right angle, angle right and angle left. Just copy it here, and inside our indicator, I mean just control left and right, just paste it here. Okay, just paste it here and just paste it here and change it left. Control S for save and refresh, but it's opposite. It's we do a wrong thing because we have to change its direction. Just change it, just minute. Okay, and change it to left, and this is change it right. Okay, so now perfect, just refresh. Okay, but we need a center those things, so just write a class which is dot carousel control. Fine, I'm not sure what is, just copy this and just paste it here. And we need a top is 50%. Control S, and you can see here it's perfect. At 45% it's look a little bit up, so replace 50%. Okay, and it's inside have a span and have a I, which is a font which is a small icon. So font size we want 20 pixels, so it's not, change it here. So now we need to give height and width. So width is 30 pixel something, and width and height is 30 pixel, and then padding is 2 pixels, and a border radius make something 50%, so it will looks like a circle, and border is 2 pixels, solid and CCC, and you can see here that's perfect. Okay, so inspect it and check it. Okay, that's fine, and it's look good and perfect uh, like we want. So give it a media query for making a responsive. So media on the screen, and its max width is 500 pixels. So when 500 pixels, it means your mobile device. So we will switch the some property of our style sheet. So this is our title and subtitle. We want to a 70%, 76% now, and text line is center. Control S for save, and control and title subtitle inside have a h3, and just change its font size is now 1.5 em, And font family is sans serif again. It's not necessary font family, but you have to just I want to show you that, so that's important. The font size is 10 pixels of the p when you just switch inside a mobile. Okay, so that's perfect, and that's good, which we want. Okay, that's perfect. So if you like this video, please subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching. Bye, take care.